Want to get fully prepared and take your road test as quickly as possible? This bundle combines a 2-hour private driving lesson with a sponsored road test at the RMV, so you can get it all done in one streamlined package. Here's what's included. First, you'll complete a dedicated 2-hour lesson with one of our certified instructors, focused entirely on RMV test requirements. You'll practice parking maneuvers, lane positioning, merging, speed control, and defensive driving. Your instructor will walk you through the RMV scoring criteria and the most common errors students make, so you know exactly what the examiner will be looking for on test day. Once your lesson is complete, the next street takes care of the rest. We schedule your official road test at the RMV branch of your choice, provide a state-certified instructor as your license sponsor, and supply an RMV-approved dual-controlled vehicle on test day. This is the ideal option for adult new drivers and anyone who wants a fast, predictable test date without waiting for an in-house next street test slot. To get started, you must have a valid Massachusetts learner's permit. You'll need to complete your 2-hour lesson before we can schedule your RMV test. Road tests are held Tuesday through Friday, 8 a.m. to noon at select RMV branches in our service area. You'll meet your instructor at the RMV on test day, no home pickups. No, RMV testing fees are not included and must be paid directly to the RMV. The next street, the easiest road to your license.